Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Appst Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Netflix application on your iOS device. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store on your device. And once the App Store is opened up, just tap on the search box and then type in Netflix and start your search. Once you find the Netflix application, just tap on it and you will see the Get button. Tap on this Get button and this will begin the download and installation of the Netflix application on your device right away. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and when you see the Open button, you can tap on it to open up the Netflix application. Once you open up the app, you can proceed with signing up to create your new account or log in to your existing one in order to start using Netflix on your device right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download the Netflix application on your iOS device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.